Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about a company and this little mask challenge. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so there is a company by the name of YesStyle. They reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to showcase, review, and tell you guys about their Mask Monday. They have this new thing where you can buy these little packs. It's called Mask Monday, and it's supposed to be like a 7-day mask challenge to give you 7 different masks to use consecutively for 7 days. And I'm going to try out one of these sets, and then I will tell you guys what I feel about them and if there was any change, that kind of thing. They did ask me between 3 different sets which one I would like, and they ended up sending me all 3. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company. I'm going to unbag these and show you what is all in here. Then I will try out one set for 7 days straight and then come back and finalize this for you guys, so then you can know what my real honest opinion is, and you know your girl loves some face masks. So when I saw their site and I saw what this was about, I'm like, you know what? I've never done face masks that many times consecutively. Like, I'm lucky to sit down to do one a week. So I'm like, you know what? This is going to be a real challenge for me to be able to sit down and physically sit my butt down for 20 minutes and have a face mask on. So this might actually give me some me time for a week as well, which I could really use. So again, the company is called YesStyle. You should definitely check out their website. They have so much different stuff on there. It's not just masks and it's not just beauty. They have a lot of beauty products and Korean skincare products, that kind of thing. But they also have clothing, accessories, bags, phone cases even. They have footwear, home and lifestyle products, and they even have women, men, and children items. So they have so many different things on their website. I've already gone through and I'm looking at stuff and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is a really cool site for like one-stop shopping pretty much. So if you do want to check them out, follow the link down below. Any order over $49, they will be giving you 10% off, which that's amazing. Okay, so Mask Monday, they have 3 different sets to choose from. They have one set is for strictly moisture, they have one for trouble, and one for variety. And I want to go ahead and stick with one of the zones, so I can, instead of doing a variety, my face like, I'd rather stick with one that focuses on one area and see what it really does. So I have trouble, I have moisture, and I have the variety. So what I'm going to do is probably moisture. I've been doing some other things with my face lately. Well, not with my face, but with face products. And it's been really drying them out. So I really want to do this moisture one first and see if I can bring back some moisture to my skin. So let's go ahead and see what is all in this one first, because this is the one that I'm going to be using. So it comes in this really cute bag. It says Mask Monday. And this one is for moisture. Now, what comes in here is Raw Sheet, Maple Water, Skin Fit Sheet Moisture Intense. So here's this one for intense moisture. There's this one right here. Here's another rich moisture. How cute. Their packaging is so cute. Here is another one. Here's Tea Tree. Here's this one right here. Light Beam. And then here's this one right here. So that is everything that would be included, and there should be 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is what I'm going to start doing, one every day consecutively for 7 days. And then again, I'll come back and I'll let you guys know what my thoughts are. But to show you what is in the trouble zone, or the trouble bag, let's see what's in here. So this one has a cute bag as well. It has a cute little design. It says Mask Monday, Trouble. And this one says, I'm sorry for my skin jelly mask for brightening. Here's a spot saver. Ooh, I might want to do, well, I'll do this one second. There's this one. Here's this one. Ooh, this one's a mud deep control mask pack, but it's a sheet. Oh, these are sheet masks. Here is tea tree. And this one's smooth and refining bamboo. So that seems like a really neat set for the trouble zones. So that one I'm definitely gonna use second, but that'll be when I can get to the second set. But I will definitely, maybe like next month, I'll give my face a month break for doing 7 consecutive, and then I'll try that one or something. And this one is the variety. It has a little, how cute, it has a little cactus on this one. And it says the Mask Monday as well. And there's a little cactus. I like these little bags. Okay, so in here, this one says hi something mask pack, the little stickers over it. There's that. Here's fresh red ginseng. Ooh. Deep purifying bubble mask. These are so fun. I love the bubble masks. Here's a vegan mask for brightening moisture. Here's this guy, which, ooh, this is a two-step. This is refreshing two-step mask. Looks like avocado. Ooh, that one seems like a really neat one. I love two steps. Here's a Farm Stay Honey Visible Difference. And then here's this one, and it says banana and honey. Ooh. That kind of reminded me of like a banana pill, but I'm like, well, it kind of looks like a pill, but it's banana and honey. That is a really nice mixture in this one for the variety. And again, any order over $49 following my link, you will be able to get the 10% off, which is an amazing thing that they gave you guys a code for this. And I'm really excited to start my 7-day challenge. So now I'm gonna go ahead and accept this challenge and do this 7 days. If I have time or not, I will make time to do this 7 days in a row, and we'll see, because I know my face is being so dry right now. So I will definitely be able to tell a difference if it actually does something. So that's like perfect timing for me to test and review these face masks for you guys. So hold on. Okay, you guys, so now my little mask pack is completely empty. I used one mask every single day for the 7 days, just like I was challenged. Since it is like a Mask Monday, like challenge thing to do 7 days, I made sure I did it every single night, even if I didn't even get done with like getting out of the shower until like 1 o'clock in the morning. I still sat down for another 20 to 30 minutes with the thing on, because I was determined to do it every single day, so I can tell you guys my real honest opinion and what I thought about it. Now, I did say in the beginning that my face was getting really dry from some products that I was trying, and that is a fact. After my very first mask using it, this is no lie, it actually made my skin so much better. Like, it's a complete difference from when I put it on that night until the next morning. My face had a huge difference as far as moisture. I didn't have all those dry little patchy spots that I had before. So I'm like, this is awesome. So I kept using the others, and every day my skin just got better and better and better. And now my skin is 100% back to normal. It has the moisture in it. I do not have any of those dry spots when I'm putting on my eyeshadow, when I'm putting on my face powder. Like, I don't have any of those dry spots that I had before from that product that I was trying to use. So I know for a fact that those masks, using them for those 7 days, it did improve the moisture in my skin, and it made my skin so much better. So I'm so glad that they sent me these to review. It came at the right time because I had some messed up skin going on. But I use every single one that was in there, and yeah. So I did go back to their website and I looked, and they have the 3 different packs over here. They have the 3 different packs that you can choose from. So if you want, definitely check out their website. And again, they have so much stuff on their site, not just beauty, they have clothing and all kinds of options. So down below will be their link. You can check out their website. You can see everything that they have to offer. But if you want to check out these mask packs, they're really cool because they give you all of the 7 masks to target to that specific thing. So one thing that I do have is this is a variety pack I showed you guys. This one has a mixture of everything. So this one I do want to share with you guys, since it has a mixture of everything inside. You don't have to do it 7 days straight, but at least here will be 7 amazing masks for you to try out. So if you're interested in winning this set right here, then this is how you will. You must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do all of my giveaways, to give back to those who are positively and actively supporting my channel. I want to show my appreciation and give back to you guys. So you must be subscribed to my channel. You must like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You must have a United States address for me to ship it to, and you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal or parent or guardian to enter in for you. Now, you must also leave one comment down below, and in that comment, I want you to tell me what is your favorite thing about masks or skincare in general. Just let me know what your favorite thing is about skincare. How about that? What's your favorite thing about skincare? And just let me know, and I will run this for 3 weeks. At the end of the 3 weeks, I will have a random comment picker choose a comment. And if in that comment, you are telling me what your favorite skincare routine or product or anything like that is, then I will comment to your comment letting you know, congratulations, you just won this mask set. You now have 48 hours to respond back to me. If within the 48 hours you do not respond back to me, then I will be forced to have the random comment picker choose another comment. That new winner will have the same rules apply, have 48 hours to respond back to me, so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Once I get a confirmed win, in my description box, when it says congratulations to so-and-so and it says we'll have 48 hours to confirm, I will then change it to say confirmed, so you know that I did have my confirmed win. Now, I think this is really cool because this one is the variety pack, so you get to try out a variety of their masks, so that's awesome. So if you do want to win this set right here, that's all you have to do. Comment, tell me what your favorite routine or product of skincare is, like this video, be over the age of 18, have a United States address, and be subscribed to my channel. That's it. So thank you so much again, YesStyle, for sending me these amazing mask packs. It came at the right time because you got my skin back to being moisturized, and I'm loving that. It worked so well. So I do have that other set that I do have that I'm going to just go ahead and use probably like next month. Give my face a little bit of break because I did that 7 days straight. And then now I have that other set to use as well. And one of you guys will have this set right here to use. So definitely comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about it. Are you interested in them? That kind of thing. And yeah, check out their site when you get some time. It's an amazing site. They have so many things on there. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Again, thank you for YesStyle for sending these to me, and then I got to share one with you guys as well, which I greatly appreciate. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.